Hi everyone, welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I have for you guys my monthly sewing plans for September. I certainly sewed a lot up in August because of it being August, so I really sort of pared back my ambitions for this month. I do think I'm getting a little bit burned out, so I kind of want to take a break. Not necessarily take a break, but not be as ambitious in what I am planning. So I hope you guys are still excited about everything, and let's dive in. So the first thing that I want to get sewn up this month is I kind of want to recreate this set or do a set that is inspired by Muriel on Instagram. And I've had this sort of like saved and tagged for a while, and I've just never had the right materials for it. So what I have is this really pretty chartreuse lace. I purchased this one from a seller off of AliExpress, and I will, if I remember, I'll try to link it down below, but I really love this lace. It's nice and wide. And then to pair with that lace, I've dyed a bunch of materials using the Dharma Color Silver Gray. And so I have like micro duoplex and stuff like that to correspond with it. And I quite like how that looks together, so I'm excited. It's not a color combination I would have come up with on my own devices, so I'm really excited about it, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. I don't think I'm going to do the exact same pattern that she has. I believe this is the Harriet bra. I might do either a Marlboro or a good old standby Black Beauty. It just depends on what I'm feeling like when that day comes. So next up, I have two projects for the TaylorMade Collaboratory, and the reason I have two is just because I was able to buy two pieces of lace with the sort of stipend she gives me, and so I just thought I'd go ahead and do two projects, even though it's all for the same month. So the first project is using this really, really pretty navy lace. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it actually looks like I have maybe 1.5 yards of it, so a little bit more than I was expecting to get. And I think that I'm going to probably do, I have a vertical seamed cup pattern that I've been working on, and I made it once and it seems to fit pretty well. So I'm probably going to do a vertical seamed cup for this. That way I can get maybe more of that motif in there, but I just think it's really, really gorgeous, and I can't wait to get started with this. And then I'm going to pair this with sort of like navy and black findings. And then the second bit of lace that came from the TaylorMade shop is this really fun, vibrant, summery, and like bleached neon colored lace. It has some yellows, some greens, some whites. I'm really excited about this. I think I got black findings to go with it, but on closer inspection, I think I might go with white. I just think it might look a little bit better. I don't know. I have to play around with this. I do like the idea of the contrast of this bright color and black, but I think white might go a little bit better with the colors. So let me know what you think, white or black with this. Next up, I have some bra tulle, and this is in the colorway, I think it's Garnet, from Emerald Erin's shop. I've used some of her bra tulle in the past, and I've been really happy with it. It's relatively easy to work with, and it does have a lot more support than some of the other bra tulles I've purchased before. So I have this really lovely Garnet colorway. I am attempting to recreate one of Emerald Erin's bras, but I'm using this as sort of the practice way first. I'm not going to tell you which bra it is, but I mean, I'll tell you which bra I'm trying to recreate when I actually end up trying to recreate it, but I just want to test out my pattern modifications first in something else. So I'm going to be using this Garnet tulle, and I'm thinking black findings to go with it. I sort of really love the Garnet and black. I made a bra out of this colorway last month, and I really enjoyed it, even though red isn't a color that I go for ever in my clothing. There's something really sultry and sexy about it, I think, in undergarments. So that's one thing I'm really excited about. And then I have some more velvet. I did make a ruby bra out of Winterberry velvet from Emerald Erin last month, which I really enjoyed. So I have this one here, and I want to make another velvet set just because it's really nice and comfortable. I don't think I'm going to make the exact same bra. I'm leaning towards doing a Watson bra set with this, so a Watson bra and a pair of bikini bottoms to go with it. And I really love this green here. I have dyed some elastics in green that are a fairly close match, so I think that's what I'm going to go ahead and use with this fabric. And then the last project that I have planned for the month of September is for Minerva Crafts, and that is using this really, really lovely rib knit, and I believe that this is viscose rib knit. So it has a really nice soft hand and drape to it, kind of thin, and my idea for this one is using the Itch to Stitch Hepburn pattern, which I'll pop up a picture over here. I kind of like the idea of a fitted turtleneck, especially as the weather starts cooling down a little bit in September. But because this is rayon, it's not going to be too hot, but it's something that I think could work a little bit more as a transitional piece when the weather starts getting a little bit cooler at nights and stuff like that. So I'm excited about this. Hopefully it works out well, and if so, I can see myself making loads more of these sort of like fitted turtlenecks. So I hope you're excited about all of the projects that I have planned. Let me know which ones you are most excited for, and I'll try to put them earlier up in my docket to make sure that they get completed. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Take care.